Hello, good day, everyone. In this session, I'm going to discuss piecewise functions. The contents of this session are piecewise functions, getting the piecewise functions for triangular and square wave. We are going also to demonstrate paano i-generate yung triangular and square wave based piecewise functions. Bakit siya importante? Kasi in this, importante makuha yung piecewise functions kasi in operational amplifiers or op-amps, may mga inputs tayo na hindi defined yung periods, hindi siya periodic yung triangular or square wave. It can be uh, iba-iba yung period niya, and then it can be a combination of triangular and square wave. So, kailangan nating makuha yung piecewise functions para uh, pag may ganong input, magagawa natin yung expected simulations natin. So, for our intended learning outcomes, we should be able to construct and interpret piecewise defined triangular and square waveforms and accurately represent them using Desmos for mathematical visualization and multi-sim for electronic simulation. So let's start with a piecewise function for triangular wave. So for example, this is our triangular wave. Merong amplitude positive 50 and negative 50 at time 1 and 3. Okay, this is a graph of time versus V of t. So yung Y natin ay naka-voltage and then yung x-axis natin ay naka-time. So the question is how to get the piecewise function for the given waveform. So let us recall yung point slope form ng line. Since these are just line segments. So sa slope form ng line, we are given with y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. And m is the slope where m is given by the point y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That's the slope. Yeah. So kung titingnan natin from time 0 to 1, itong segment na to, ang initial point natin at time 0, ang initial points natin is at 0, 0. So yung x and y natin ay 0, 0 at this time, 0. At time 1, yung x2 and y2, because this is 0.1, 0.2 for the line, so that's x is 1 and y is 50. So itong point na to is 150. Then solving for the slope, we can compute 50 minus 0, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So you get 50. Then substitute in this equation here. So you will get with 50x. Since yung y natin is in terms of voltage, you can convert y to v of t and the x-axis as time t. So we have a function v of t is equal to 50t from 0 to 1. From 0 to 1 na time segment. So ito yun, itong line na to. Okay? Next, we will get yung time from 1 to 3. Itong line na to. This is also a line segment here. So at time 1 to 3, yung initial point natin is at 1 and 50. Means to say x is 1, y is 50. And then yung second point is 3 and negative 50. It's the coordinates. Then applying the slope, we can solve for negative 50. Then y, the slope form, substitute all the given x1, y1, and then x1. Itong 1 and 3. So we can get minus 50 for y1, x1 of 1. So we can get y is equal to negative 50x plus 100 and convert that one into voltage and time axis. So we have voltage of T is 100 minus 50T from 1 to 3. Okay. Next, the slope form of a line for segment 3 to 4. For time 3 to 4, so ang x1 natin is from here. That's 3 and negative 50. Then second point is at 4 and 0. Okay, 4 and 0. So before the slope m, that's 50. Then we can also get the voltage at T is negative 200 plus 50 of T3 to 4. So yun, nakuha na natin yung mga time segments. So as a summary, from 0 to 1, this is 50T, that's the time segment from 0 to 1. Then at time 1 to 3, this is the line segment. From time 3 to 4, that's also the line segment. Therefore, yung kabuuan ng waveform na to is defined by the piecewise function 50t at 0 to 1, 100 minus 50t, and then negative 250t, 3 to 4. So ito yung pinaka uh, piecewise function ng buong triangular wave. Also, kung i-derivative mo siya, kasi dun sa op-amp, meron tayong integrator and differentiator. So kailangan mo siyang i-integrate from isa-isa, no? Yung line with ito yung limits mo. So ganun lang siya. Okay? So ito yung magiging input natin. So kung i-derive mo siya, so isa-isa mo din siya i-derive. Or i-integrate mo siya for integrator, isa-isa mo din siya i-integrate. So yan yung point. So let's generate this triangular waveform sa Desmos. So pupunta kang Desmos. So dito sa Desmos, we can plot yung piecewise function natin no, kanina. So we have 50t for 0 to 1. So 50t 0 to 1. So I can write voltage function t is 50t from 0 to 1. Since hindi makita kasi nasa 50 to, so medyo mataas, you can adjust yung Y segment dito. Sabihin natin na yung Y, positive Y is at 60. And then ito siguro is nasa negative 60. Visible yung 60 and negative 60 sa screen. And then yung Y natin is time 4 yun. No? So we can also adjust yung x-axis. Okay, so yan. So yung pag-adjust. So this is the first time segment, line segment ito at time 0 to 1. Next, we also have the line segment that is 100 minus 50 time divided by time 1 to time to 1 to 3. So, yan yung line segment na yon. Line segment na yan. Then we also have the voltage equation at time negative 200 plus 50t. 200 plus 50t divided by time 3 to 4. So, ito yung buong line segment natin in Desmos. To implement the triangular waveform sa multisim, we can get yung PWL na tinatawag. So meron tayo dito mga power sources. So punta tayo sa signal voltage sources, and then we have piecewise linear voltage. We can define yung triangular wave per time interval. So I get this one, then I also need to have a ground, okay, DC ground, of course, close, okay. Then I can set my data dun sa triangular. So at time 0, the voltage is 0, and then at time 1, yung voltage natin dun ay at 50, then at time 3, ang voltage natin is negative 50, time 4, nasa 0. So ito yung triangular natin. Pwede natin i-extend yung isang cycle. Uulitin lang natin. So kung isa pang cycle, it times 4, and then repeat the pattern kung gusto natin dagdagan. So ito yung initial na triangular waveform based dun sa ating triangular wave. So let's check na kasi ito yung given. So yung piecewise natin is at 0 to 50. 0 to 50. And at time 2, time 3 dito siya, negative 50. 0 muna siya dito at time 0, 0. Then at time 1, that's 50. Then at time 3, that's negative 50. Then at time 4, that's 0. Okay. So you have 0, 50, negative 50, and 0. Okay. Then we can see the waveform by getting yung oscilloscope dito sa gilid. May oscilloscope ka. You can get your oscilloscope. And put it here. So pag i-run mo siya, mapapansin mo na hindi siya matagal yung waveform. Hindi natin makita. So ang other way, imbes na dito sa interactive ay interactive siya, punta ka sa, let's go to transient, and then lagay natin sa 4 seconds yung cycle kasi dun kanina ay sa 4 dito yung time natin. Kasi from 0 to 4 lang yung run time. Okay? Then the output is at that is voltage V1. So you can add sa yung voltage yung gusto mong is out. Malalaman mo yung V1 kasi since this is voltage lang na pin. Then run. So ito yung waveform natin. We can compare. Then siguro change background. Then make it more uh, thickness. Okay. So we can see na we can adjust this one. Let's say this is 50. So yan yung transient natin display for triangular wave. Okay, so that's for triangular wave. Thank you. And we will go to the next video for the square wave.